is a constellation system of 29 Earth-orbiting satellites that were originally designed by the U.S. military in the 1970s as a navigation system.
29 sounds like a lot of satellites.
Why do you need so many?
It takes 24 satellites to provide global coverage, leaving 5 spares. The orbits are arranged so that at any given time, anywhere on Earth, there are at least 4 satellites visible.
Why do 4 satellites need to be visible?
Your GPS receiver needs 4 satellites in order to determine its own location.
How does our GPS locate itself?
By using a simple mathematical principle called trilateration. From satellite A, you could be anywhere on a huge imaginary sphere at that radius. If you know your distance from satellite B, you can overlap the first sphere with the second sphere, and they intersect in a perfect circle.
So if you know the distance to a third satellite, you get a third sphere which intersects with the circle at 2 points.
Very good. And the Earth acts as the 4th sphere, so you can eliminate the point in space because you're on Earth.
So do you only need 3 satellites?
An approximate position can be found with 3 satellites, but to improve accuracy and get precise altitude information, 4 or more are better.
How do GPS receivers know how far they are from the satellite?
They analyze the high-frequency, low-powered radio signals from the GPS satellites and calculate the time the signal traveled.
Do satellites have stopwatches?
No, the satellites need to be more accurate than a stopwatch. The satellites use a very accurate atomic clock, which produces exact time-coded signals.
And what happens if a satellite malfunctions?
It's possible. Again, that's why we have 29 satellites when only 24 are needed, leaving a few spares.
It helps to have extra.
True. Here at NASA, we use GPS to...